Alright, welcome back to another episode. I'm out in Moreton Bay again, heading out from Victoria Point this morning. I've got a low tide, I'm pretty close to low, I think it's about an hour maybe I've run out, and then a pretty nice run in, 2 metre tide from like a 0.4 or something like that. Reasonable amount of run in. Northwesterlies today, so not particularly nice wind, but low this morning and then getting up pretty early, so it's going to be a bit of a quick trip today. So I'm going to try for a dew. I haven't caught a dew, like a decent dew, for quite some time now. I'll have a look around for a good dewy, and then I'll have a quick look for snapper, and I might even chase a flathead a bit later on. I'm going to move around the bay, basically, have a bit of a look around a few different places. I'm going to try and hit it quite fast now before that wind sort of gets up, fish those northern areas that are a bit more exposed, and then as the wind picks up, I'll probably come down to the southern areas where it won't be as rough. Yeah, hopefully bang a few fish. It's a beautiful morning. I don't know if you can see there, but it's an absolute cracker of a morning this morning. Nice and cool, not too cold and certainly not too hot yet. Sure, it's going to get warmer. It'll get up to sort of 28, 29 degrees. Should be quite a warm day in the end. All right, I'm pretty keen to get out there and see if I can find some good dew. I'm going to hit it and see how we go. All right, so no real luck on the dew. I did see some at one of the spots, so I'll probably go back there a bit later. There's no current, so I'm really in that limbo land of waiting for that tide to change at the moment. So just going to try a reef edge here, and then I'll keep moving to another one as well and give that a go. Try for some snapper and sweetlip. Good bite. Oh, pulled the hook. What a bugger. That was a really good bite, that one. Small bites. Oh, some okay fish. Oh. Sweetlip, I'm guessing. Yeah, nice grassy. Yes. All right. Nice grassy for the esky, this one. Oh, there you go. Damaged me line. All right, nice little grassy on the beerwah grub. I put him on the measure, but I'd say he's well and truly legal, probably closer to 35. Yeah, that fish is bang on 35.5 centimetres, so I'll throw that one the esky. They're a great eating fish. Yep. Holy dooly! What did I hook? Wow, that was impressive. Woof. That was very impressive. I had the best part of 0 chance then. Oh, someone's going to drive straight over the reef here in a second. The way they're going. Oh, a bit off by. Oh, they realised last minute. first squire of the morning, very small fish. Hopefully get some bigger ones than that today. Oh, God, again. Wow, some good fish in there. All right, time for a location change. That was pretty cool. I got a nice grassy little squire and got smoked big time twice. It was pretty cool. So I head to another spot. Got the tide starting to come in now, so hopefully this other spot produces on the run in. See how we go. Bit of a slow start, but yeah, it's kind of expected when you got no run, so we'll get there soon and hopefully get some fish. There we go. Feels like a squire. Not a real big one. Yep. There it is, little fella. Ow. Stab me. Little side fin action. Come on. Come on, buddy. Bit of bait activity here on the surface, so I think I'll hook up in a second. Oh. Another fish. Oh, dropped him. Pull my plastic down by feels of it. Yep, did. Oh, major surface activity. Oh. There's the fish. Oh, look at there. Oh, it's jumping. Must be a tailor. Oh. Big tailor. Whee. Oh, that's a solid tailor, that one. Look at that. Come on. All right, nice big tailor, that one. Ooh, okay, we got three. We got some bigger fish on my left here. As I swung around, I just noticed them. All right, got some bigger snapper here on my left. All right. Okay, I got a light jig head here. I'll try the light jig head first, and if I have to, I'll step it up. I've definitely got some good snappers here on my left-hand side. Real good fish. Come on, baby. Oh, I felt something then. Oh. There we go. I got him. Here we go. This is not as big as I was expecting. Oh, nice sweet lip. Nice sweet lip. All right, I think that one's a Spangled Emperor. Yeah, I'd say that one's a Spangled Emperor. It's a little bit more yellow colour. Yeah, so he's a bit different colour to the grassy. Let him go. All right, pulling back in the ramp now. The wind's up as kind of expected this morning. That northwesterly or maybe straight northerly, I think, sort of blowing sort of 12 knots. So might pack it in now. It's been a relatively slow day, obviously. Just those few reefies this morning. Went and had a look for a squid. Went back and had a look for a Jew. Found some, but just moving around and not very many there. Wasn't a lot happening. Chased some little mac tunas around for a little bit. Coming back towards the southern end of the bay there was a few schools of very small mac tuna, so I had a little quick flick at them with a little slug, but no luck there. And had a look at a couple more spots for a Jew without much success. Yeah, pretty slow going, but that is Moreton Bay at times, especially when there's like a northwesterly around. It's not my favourite wind direction, to be honest. Anyways, I'll leave it there. I'll catch you next week, and hopefully we'll get some more southerlies going again. All right, see you next week. Cheers, guys.